You're welcome. So today I'm gonna be sharing with us how to moisturize our locks properly. So I know some of us are just starting our locks, or we have locks we've been moisturizing, maybe we've been moisturizing it wrongly. But I will use myself as an example today to show you how to moisturize your locks. Moisture is important when it comes to hair, and if we do not moisturize our locks properly, it's definitely going to affect the progress and growth of our locks. So that's why I'm taking the time to share this with you. So let's get right into it. This is my locks. I've not moisturized it today. So I moisturize my own locks every day because I have high porosity hair, and high porosity hair is the kind of hair that when it takes in water, it likes water a lot, and when you put the water in it, it disappears quickly. Just as much as it takes it, that is how it dries it out too. So before we moisturize, I'm going to actually make a whole video on the different kind of hair texture, so you can know the one that you have, if you have high porosity or you have low porosity hair. So just check for that video. I am going to be putting it out soon. All the things you need to moisturize your locks, it might not be the exact product, but these are the essential things that you need to moisturize your locks. This is what I use to moisturize my locks. I use water. So on the norms, I have this mix I do, spray bottle mix that I do, but it's out. I've not done it yet. I'm going to be using this for you on camera today. It's just this. So this is water. This is oils. So this is a blend of oils, like light oils, argan oil, coconut oil, everything. It's blended here. And this is a leave-in conditioner. So this conditioner, I mixed it with water so that it can be lighter. You understand? Conditioners are always very thick. So this one, I took my time to mix it with water so it can be lighter and easier on my locks, because I'm trying to really avoid build-up. I've spoken about build-up before, so if you've not watched that video, I'll put a link in the description box. Go watch so you can know the difference between product build-up and lint. So too much of every product can actually cause build-up on your locks. All you need is water, oils, and a leave-in conditioner. Like I said before, I have not moisturized my locks today, so because I wanted to show you how I do it on camera. So let's start with the water. I had a relock recently, I think 2 days back, so you can see that my roots are like still very tight because I just had my relock. So all you have to do is to just spray this. Get a spray bottle, put your water and spray. Why is a spray bottle is essential? Because it helps you distribute the water all around your locks. So you need a spray bottle if you don't have. I'm okay with this already. It's enough water. I can feel it that, oh, it's in my locks. The next thing I go in with is my deep conditioner. I mixed my deep conditioner with water so that it can be lighter on my locks to avoid build-up. So you should do that too. So I'll shake it very well with the deep conditioner. Just spray that all around my locks. So you see that because I mixed it with water, it's easier to spray. So, and I hold part of my locks, the tip of my locks, you can see. Anytime you're moisturizing your locks, please do not forget the tip of your locks. Why? Is because the tip is the oldest part of your locks, and if you don't moisturize it too properly, it will start to break off or look really bad. So not because, oh, what's it like, you'll be like, what's my business? I beg, is this new ones I want to take care of? No, you treat the tip of your locks just as you treat the root of your locks. Do you understand? It needs moisture around it. So this is just me spraying all around from roots to tip, and then I give myself a scalp massage. Scalp massage are very, very essential. So just do that. I'm just doing this so that it would marinate. When you're cooking meat, you want it to sink into the locks. So I can feel that, yes, that has gone in. The next thing I go in with is my oil. So why do we use the oil? We use the oil to seal in that moisture from hydrating, which is with the water, putting in the deep conditioner. So you need to seal it in. I have, like I said before, I have high porosity hair. If I just leave my moisturizing, hygiene with this, it will dry up so quickly. It will look as if I did not do anything. But if I seal it in with oil, right, it will keep it in, like keep all that moisture in, so it doesn't dry off, you know. And you know, when your hair is dry, you start to experience breakage and all that. So I'm just going to spray this oil around my locks. This time I'm more focused at the roots of my scalp. I'm more focused on my scalp, so I'll just put that in. After I feel like I've really distributed it around my locks, I'll just take some of that same oil on my palm and then apply it to the locks. You can take enough, apply it to the locks because it needs it too. So I think this is enough already for me. And then I massage the scalp. Massage. I want all that to marinate. So, oh my god, like the stress, I feel like I'm releasing stress. But massaging the scalp, the reason why I asked you to massage your scalp, it aids and helps for like proper blood circulation. So this is me, my locks. This is the moisturized locks, you can see. Just follow the steps the way I told you to follow it. Now I have my moisturized locks. After this, we're just going to put in some lock accessories because, you know, I want my hair to look fancy. And yes, I create these lock accessories. I make them. If you want to get yours, you can check me out on Instagram at Lola Classic Craft. So they're customized to fit the size of your locks. Whether you have traditional locks, you have micro locks, any kind of locks that you have, they are made to fit the size of your locks. So if you're looking to get this, just send me a DM on Instagram, and yes, I'll be ready to create yours. We ship to anywhere you are, actually. So let me accessorize with my lock accessories. Okay, that's how it looks. So you can see that I have properly moisturized my locks, and I'm sure if you've been watching this video all through, you can see that there was a difference from when I started this video without my locks moisturized and after it has been moisturized. You can see how beautiful it is. That's why moisturizing is very, very essential. Hydrate your locks and you know, use the essential oils and the deep conditioner. It is really simple, not too much product, not too much problem. In 2 minutes you are done with this. 2 minutes is even too much. In 1 minute you are done with this. Kindly pardon the noise in the background. There's a construction going on around my neighborhood, and you know what, I still needed to shoot this video, so I had to do it anyways. So I moisturize my locks every day because, like I said before, I have high porosity hair. But you might have low porosity hair, you don't have to moisturize every day, but you have to hydrate every day. So you can do the same method, like maybe 2 to 3 times weekly, you know. Why every other day you could just spray your locks and just add oils. You're good to go. So I hope this video have helped you. Yes, I know I've introduced myself. I am Lola Classic, and I love to help my fellow lockheads out there. I am always excited. And if you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, like and share this video to someone who might need it, someone with locks, you know. So I come your way next time. Just keep on sticking around. I always have juicy things to talk about. Thank you so much, and bye for now.